Hey guys, it's Tanya from Hand Lettered and Loved. This is total impromptu, but I figured I would do a little video to show you guys how I create the lettering for my monthly challenges for the month. So today I'm doing March, and I am going to use my Ecoline, my Royal Talons Ecoline brush pen markers. These are watercolor brush markers. They have a really big tip. And I am going to use, this time I'm going to use some really smooth glossy paper. It's actually just leftover paper that I had from an Epson printer, so it's very like kind of glossy. I am going to use my laser level today so that I can get a straight line. This is really nifty. It kind of gives you a laser there so that you have a guideline. And then this is what we're going to try to attempt. This is my practice one. I did a bunch beforehand just to kind of see how I wanted to do my M mainly. Try some practice ones first, so you guys know it's not always just magic. You have to do your sketching up front. Okay, so let's try this out. So I am going to, and I just want to mention too, this paper is amazing for lefties because it is quick drying. Okay, you guys are in real time here because I don't like how that looks, so I'm going to start over. Okay, let's try this again. All right, so I'm going to stop there before I do my flourish because I want to write in the other letters so that I don't, if I were to do this first, I'm going to come up and I might come up too far and then not have room for my letters to be on the right baseline here. So I'm going to do these first. And if you ever see some of my other videos, you might see me actually doing that where I'm like drawing, pretending to draw over top of the paper. And that's what I'm doing. I'm either planning out my next move or flourish, or just kind of like, it's just real time of me trying to figure out how I want to draw each letter. Okay, so one thing you want to watch is that your upstrokes are all a consistent weight, as well as your downstrokes. Okay, so for the H, I am going to give the ascender loop here, the flourish from that. I'm going to give it a similar look to this loop so that we keep that consistency. So let's go here. See if that gives us enough room. That's okay. And don't be afraid to kind of come back up here and fix areas that might not have gone right the first time around. Seems like I'm kind of losing ink on this Ecoline, which is the first time that that's happened to me, but I don't know if it's the paper or I'm just losing ink. All right, I'll have to go back and fix that flourish, but let's get our M in here. So I don't really feel like I need that anymore. So we'll turn the laser light off. All right, so I am going to just ghost this in a little so I can kind of see what I'm going to do. I'm going to cross over this flourish. All right, so that's not too bad. I don't really love this part right here. I feel like it's a little too stiff and not flowy enough. But I will see if I can make this work. Off camera, I'm gonna probably go back and do what I'm doing right now, kind of fill in some of these flourishes and see if I can get this to work. And then we will see the final for the March lettering challenge, which I hope that you're joining in. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to be having a lot more videos coming up soon on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see those videos. I have an exciting project coming up that I plan on getting out towards the end of March, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Okay, here is the finished piece. This is after I had gone back over all of the flourishes with my same green marker, and then I also added some more green up top of the letters to get that nice gradation. And then what I did was I took it into the computer in Photoshop. I added a drop shadow, placed it on top of my bullet journal digital file that I have, and then created my whole list for the March lettering challenge. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.